Okay, this big boy here is the new G-Shock Gravity Master GRB 201B. It's big, it's beautiful, and it's got everything you need. This model even deserves to be called the most popular Gravity Master G-Shock model. Okay, hello and what's up everyone? Yes, today we are very excited to introduce you to one of the best Gravity Master model, the G-Shock GRB 201B. This model was released in July 2021 and retails for $350. However, the G-Shock GRB 200 model actually appeared for the first time through these three colors in July 2020. It was actually 1 year before the all-black model GRB 201B was released. And Casio was surprisingly very successful with their first three-color G-Shock GRB 200. The first three colors of the G-Shock GRB 200 sold out very quickly and people are still looking for them. This is thanks to the leap in innovation that Casio brought to this model. But you know, the real game changer is the presence of a bezel made of carbon fiber. This carbon bezel instantly lifts the name of the G-Shock GRB 200 to the top. Considering the price is quite high, we think people really love this model. Honestly, many people were surprised when the G-Shock GRB 200 model was introduced. Not surprising to us because this model is very different from its predecessor, the G-Shock GRB 100. There is no carbon material on the bezel of the G-Shock GRB 100 model, and in fact, this model clearly lags far behind from the GRB 200. In our opinion, it's totally a different watch. The G-Shock GRB 200 is currently considered one of the best mid-range G-Shock Casio has ever made. It brings many innovations that have not been presented in previous mid-range Gravity Master model, and the quad sensor feature is the most anticipated for this G-Shock GRB 200 model. This is definitely the first Gravity Master model to feature the quad sensor. Now you can enjoy the digital compass, altimeter, barometer, and step tracker features through this G-Shock GRB 200. Okay, to start the navigation, just press one time on the compass button on your right hand side. The digital display will show one of the 16 literal direction indication, or you can toggle between literal direction indication and bearing angle display by pressing display button. To get the accurate navigation, keep your watch in a level position and point 12 o'clock in the direction of your desired objective. And remember, the second hand will always point to north direction. To get your altitude position while on the move, just press one time on the altimeter button. The watch will take altitude readings every second for about first 3 minutes. After that, it takes reading according to the watch auto measurement interval setting. Okay, press the mode button 2 times to access the barometer sensor. You can use the barometer mode to take a reading of the barometer pressure at your current location and to track reading changes and trends. After you enter the barometer mode, the watch takes readings about every 5 seconds for 3 minutes. After that, a measurement is taken about every 2 minutes of every 5 seconds. And if we include the thermometer sensor, the G-Shock GRB 200 actually has 5 sensors in total. All these sensors will be very useful when you are traveling or doing outdoor activities. To return to the timekeeping mode, hold down the mode button for at least 2 seconds. The G-Shock GRB 200 also has a sensor that uses the pedometer to count your step as you walk or engage in your normal daily activities. The pedometer will start counting your steps when you start walking or if there is a movement similar to the condition when walking. To enable the most accurate step count, wear the watch with the face on the outside of your wrist and tighten the band securely. A loose band may make it impossible to obtain a correct measurement. And when you start to think, oh, this is all already good enough for me, of course you are wrong, because Casio has also presented the mobile link features on the G-Shock GRB 200. This mobile link utilizes Bluetooth, which will connect to your smartphone after you install the G-Shock Connected application. Honestly, there is not much you can do with this application, but at least you can see your daily steps and calories burned. And maybe there are several other functions that you can enable through this G-Shock Connected app. The G-Shock GRB 200 never fails to surprise us. Of course, we are blown away by this stunning lighting. Using double LED lights, the G-Shock GRB 200 will be shine very brightly in dark conditions. A high-strength, highly water-resistant carbon corrugated structure protects the module with a resin reinforced with carbon fibers. This, combined with war-renowned G-Shock shock resistant, creates a structure that is also highly vibration resistant. All of this creates a G-Shock that is not only beautiful on the outside, but also powerful on the inside. Okay, the carbon bezel is not only aesthetically pleasing, but provides even more extreme strength than the previous model. Then the dial is carefully designed to feature a darker theme but still easy to read. And the presence of 3 monster buttons really completes the design of the G-Shock GRB 200. This is obviously really blown us away. And that's our review for this G-Shock Gravity Master GRB 200 1B model. This analog digital watch has been a masterpiece from Casio for quite some time. Although the top solar feature is not presented in this model like its predecessor, Casio is very confident that this model can last up to 2 years of service life. Of course, this is an expensive watch to buy, but everything you will get will feel worth it. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to support our channel and see you on our next videos.